Today I'm going to show you how to strip down a broken ignition from a Transit. This is a 21 plate Transit. I've already done a video on how you release the ignition. That's the little button that we're depressing inside the cab in position 1. If you want to see my other videos to see how you actually get this out. But once it's out, this is why you get the damage and the key doesn't turn. So you need to replace, take that little brass lever there out. Just push it with a screwdriver through and it comes out, and you pull it out. Then the button will come out. Tap that out. Turn the ignition over and you see a little round plastic Pressel switch. Push that down and forwards like that. And then that releases the whole inside. Get rid of that, we don't need that. Now if you can see on there, this needs turning. Now the original key doesn't turn. That's what the problem is. So I've cut a key, a new one, and it will turn, but only just with pliers. There we go. So what we need to do is have the barrel turned so that these two lugs will slide through those two holes. So when that's all lined up like that, the hole inside should push through. Now if it doesn't, you can turn it over and you'll see in here wafers, and you'll find that it's not pushing through because one of the wafers is lifted up too high, and that's the reason the barrel won't turn in the first place. So get your screwdriver and just tap it down, and then you can push the thing through like that, and that's when it comes out. If you look, that's what the problem is. Your wafers are too high, so it doesn't allow the ignition to be in the inner plug here on the ignition to be in the shear line to be able to spin over. So all of these need replacing and then put back together again, and the ignition will turn and work as it did before.